Good morning, children. Today, maths for class 7, exercise 4.3. Dear children, in exercise 4.3, there is also to solve the equation. There is only solve the equation means you have to solve the equation, but these equations are more constructive or more bigger than earlier 4.1 and 4.2 exercise. So to solve the equation, we should must learn how to solve the fraction, how to simplify the algebraic expression. Or last year we have learnt about additions of fractions, like here 4/3 minus 9/8, or 4/3 into 7/2. How this can be solved? These fractions, how these fractions can be simplified. So we have to use this simplification of fractions in the इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के लिए बच्चों आपको जो है तो फ्रैक्शंस को सॉल्व करना आना चाहिए. लास्ट बार जो है हमने ये भी बताया था कि क्वेश्चंस को जो है कैसे सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं और इक्वेशन को कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं, उसके लिए फर्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है. तो लेट अस सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. सॉल्व 2y plus 5/2 इक्वल 37/2. तो इसमें सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए क्या करेंगे, इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए y का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए सेपरेट करेंगे. सेपरेट करने के लिए 2y को रख लेंगे, पहले इसको सेपरेट करेंगे, इसको उस साइड उधर मतलब दोनों तरफ क्या करते हैं 2y plus 5/2 minus 5/2. अगर यहाँ माइनस में होता तो प्लस करते, जिससे कि ये प्लस में हो जाए, माइनस में हो जाए, जिससे कि ये ख़त्म हो जाए. इसको ख़त्म करने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्लस में है तो माइनस करेंगे, अब माइनस में है तो प्लस करेंगे. तो अब देखो ये इक्वल का साइन है, इसका मतलब कि दोनों तरफ अगर जो हम कर रहे हैं दोनों तरफ करेंगे तभी ये इक्वल रह पाएगा. तो यहाँ पर अगर 5/2 इधर भी किए हैं तो इधर भी जो है तो हमें 5/2 माइनस करना पड़ेगा. मीन्स वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 5/2 बोथ साइड. नाउ कंसीडर ओवर दिस सिचुएशन 2y, here was 2y and 5/2 और minus 5/2 that is cancel. ओके, तो 2y अकेला बचा. नाउ 37/2 minus 5/2. Here is 37/2 and this was subtracted minus 5/2 here. Means in other way we can say that here if here is plus 5/2, then you have to do directly minus 5/2. See here, suppose 2y plus 5/2 equal to 37/2. तो हम इस तरह कहेंगे कि 2y इसको ले गए उस साइड 37/2, अब प्लस है तो माइनस 5/2 हो जाएगा. यानी ए जो है इक्वल के इस साइड चला गया. अब हम दूसरी तरह से बात करेंगे, मतलब इसी चीज़ को हम दूसरी भाषा में बोलेंगे, दूसरी तरफ बोलेंगे कि ये जो प्लस में है ये उधर गया, इक्वल के राइट साइड गया तो माइनस में हो जाता है. अगर माइनस में है तो वो प्लस में हो जाएगा. जैसे यहाँ पर जैसे 7x minus 2 इक्वल टू 5 है, तो 7x इक्वल टू 5 plus 2. माइनस है तो इधर जाके +2 हो जाएगा. मीन्स साइन विल बी चेंज आफ्टर transferring the number, any number, है ना, from left hand side to right hand side. So dear children, we have to keep in mind that if there is plus sign, after transfer it will be in minus sign, like minus 2 becomes in plus 2, and if there is minus sign, then it will be plus after transfer from left hand side to right hand side. If you want to transfer right hand side to left hand side, then you can also do it. Suppose like this type of equation, 5 equal to 2x plus 9, then what will you do? Here 9 is variable is in right hand side, so it is in right hand side. So to separate, what will we do? Will we do take 9 to this side, left hand side. So what will be here? 2x 5 minus 9. I am telling about the first steps of solution of the equation. So we learned that if there is symbol of sign, it transfer and become in minus. If here is minus, then it become plus. If here is into, it becomes divide, and if here is divide, then it become multiplied. So see here. Now again next step, solve this fraction. So here is already 2 is our like fraction, denominator 2, then 2 37 minus 5, that is 32 by 2, and that is 16. Here 2y is already, I am nothing did about 2y, and means this can be written like this. So here will be sign up implies that this can be written like this. So here will be also implies that sign up implies that should not be miss. Again here to separate y, here is 2 in multiply, then what will we do? Multiplied will be go to divide, means 2y by 2, 16 by 2. If I am dividing left hand side by 2, then right hand side will be also divided by 2. So 2 cancel, y equal to 16 by 2. Consider over this step and direct this step. Here was 2, he goes to right hand side and become, this was 2 was multiplied by y, then here 16 is divided by 2, means it is in multiplied, now it becomes in divide. Okay, y equal to 16 by 2 is 8. This is the final solution. All questions of exercise 4.2 will be solved like this. You can see this question again by revise or by preview or back your video and see again. Next question number 1b, 5t plus 28 equal to 10. Like exercise 4.1 and 4.2, I will not do solve the question equation. I will solve directly, as I told you that if there is plus, then it become minus. If there is minus, it become plus. If there is into, it becomes divide. If there divide, it becomes multiplied. See how it implemented. Here is here is variable is t. Okay, variable t. To separate variable t, we will delete 28. 28 is in plus. then 5t equal to 10 minus 28. 28 will transfer to right hand side. It will be in negative. Plus will be minus after transfer of left hand side to right hand side. 5t equal to minus 18. Now 5 is multiplied by t, so t equal to 5 will be go at right side, it become 18 by 5. So there should be implies that. Implies that means this can be written like this. There is no difference between this, and this can be written like this. So implies that means this and these are same. So there is no between this, and this is also same. If you want, you can find the same thing. So this was the question number 1b. Now question number 1c. C is a upon 5 plus 3 equal to 2. So what will we do? 3 will go to this side. A upon 5 equal to 2 minus 3. Why? Because it is in plus, after transfer it will become to in minus. A by 5, that is minus 1. Again it is in divide, so a equal to minus 1 into 5. 5 will go to right side and will be multiplied. So minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Again question number E. 5x upon 2 equal to 5. So this is in divide. This type there is no plus, no minus. So x equal to divide will be becoming into, and this is in into, so it becoming divide. 5 cancel 2. X equal to 2. Thus all the questions number 2, question number 3 and question number 4, all question will be solved like this. Question number as I solve the question number 1a, 1b, 1c and 1e, I solve the question. Similarly you can solve. Again I am solving I 3l by 2 equal to 2 by 3. It is very easy. L equal to 2 by 3. 2 will be go to right side and it becoming into, 3 is in into, so it becoming divide. So 2 to the 4 by 9. 3 3 is 9. So L equal to 4 by 9. L equal to 4 by 9. Thus your questions are solved. Now question number 2. 2x plus 4 upon this is the another type of equation. So what will you do? If there is bracket, then direct 2 will be go this side. It is in into, so it will become in divide. So x plus 4 equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. X plus 4 equal to 6. X equal to, now 4 is in plus, so it become 6 minus 2, 6 minus 4 become in minus. So this is 2x equal to 2. This is the solution of 2a. Similarly 2b. 3n minus 5 equal to minus 21. Again n minus 5 equal to minus 21 upon 3, because 3 is in multiplied. So this become minus 7 n minus 5. N equal to, this is in minus, so it become plus after transferring the minus side. Minus 7 plus 5. -7 plus 5 -2 as we have learned in 6th class. So this is -7. This is -7. Again question number 3. So it is very easy. 4 equal to 5 p minus 2, then 4 upon 5 equal to p minus 2, because p is this side, right hand side, so it will be transferred to left hand side and become in divide, because 5 is multiplied with p by 2, p minus 2, p 4 by 5 here is minus, so it become plus 2, and again p equal to 4 by 5, 2 by 1, LCM 5, 4 plus 10, 5 2 जा 10 इक्वल टू p. तो p इक्वल टू क्या हो गया 14 by 5, 10 and 4 14 by 5 answer. So thus the question number 3 is over. Now question number 4. Question number 4. Construct 3 equation starting x equal to 2. तो x equal to 2 फर्स्ट इक्वेशन, 2x इक्वल टू 4, दोनों तरफ 2 से इंटू करो तो ये बन गया, दोनों में माइनस कर दो तो x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 2 माइनस 2, दोनों तरफ 2 माइनस कर दिया तो ये आ गया x इक्वल टू 0, नहीं x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 0, 2 0, ये तो 2, एक इक्वेशन ए हो गया, एक इक्वेशन ए हो गया, एक इक्वेशन ए हो गया. -2 से करना होता तो यहाँ माइनस कर देते, तो यहाँ माइनस हो जाता, यहाँ माइनस होता यहाँ पर, तो इधर पे प्लस कर देते, कुछ भी कर लो, इससे इंटू कर लो, डिवाइड कर लो, है ना. तो दिस द चैप्टर द एक्सरसाइज 4.3 is over. Thank you. Have a nice day.